right, 24 seconds left, and this candle will be red for sure. All right, we have created a margin, the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Arjun Mittal here, a professional trader mentoring you about trading in binary options and making easy how to make money online. Today we are going to learn an amazing QTEX trading strategy to make decent money online on this amazing forex trading platform binary option QTEX. Alright, so I have logged into this amazing QTEX trading terminal. If any one of you is interested in the platform registration, the link is mentioned in the description box. Here you have find our winning. I have provided my signals into my Telegram channel. If any one of you wants to get free signals and earn money, then he can join our free Telegram group. The link is mentioned in the description box. Now we are going to draw a support line here. If you are noticing this, the line is blue and this is showing the ultimate uptrend here, and right now there is again a breakdown, then upward movement. So there is a strong upward movement trade here. Right now we will thick the line first. We will change the color. We will thick the line to the 5. All right, so the line is clearly visible on the screen if you are noticing this, and we have some amazing structure here. We will implement indicator, the moving average, the SMA simple moving average. We will change to the setting to the 16, color will be green, some thickness, and right now the moving average is now clearly visible for your information. All right, so if you are seeing the breakout, the strategy is simple. If you are seeing the breakout, the next candle above the breakout will be the same green candle. So if we are noticing the breakout in the support level, we have to create a call option position at this point. So we are waiting for the breakout or breakdown. Let's watch some other candle, other currency pair as well. Let's find out some decent currency pair having our currency pair. Okay, all right, so Euro JPY showing laser settlement here. Let's find out another one. Okay, Euro CAD is showing 83% settlement ratio, and we will be analyzing our trade and on this currency pair, the Euro CAD. Okay, all right, let's remove some non-working currency pair right now. Euro GBP OTC, let's remove this. All right, okay, Euro CAD is here. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is we have to implement a support level. Go to the horizontal line, find the multiple touch point as I discussed here. If we won't find the SNR level, the market strategy I am talking about is not working. So the support is must here. The market must be trendy, upward or movement or downward movement. The market must be trendy. And the third condition of this strategies, we have to implement a moving average of 16 period. You are seeing the breakout here, the candle is same as green. If you are noticing this, the moving average is showing the strong upward movement and the candle is green. If you are noticing the breakout or the breakdown, we will be placing our trade immediately. All right, let's find out the opportunity. We are finding the breakout and breakdown here. If you are noticing the breakout, the next candle is the green one, and we had an opportunity to take trade. This opportunity is missed. Let's find out the USD BRL OTC currency pair. All right, there is a strong upward movement. So let's draw a support line here. All right, if you are new to this one, please subscribe to this channel, guys. I am working hard for you to provide you the quality education about the forex trading. All right, the support line is here and there is a breakout. The next candle is green one. So the strategy is simple, but you have to be quick to make before making a trade. You can take a MTG position here. Okay, this is in a refresh mode right now. all right. So the line is up and the candle is showing the downward movement from this point. The 4 seconds are left in this candle to get complete in the Euro CAD currency pair. Okay, there were some internet issue. It is now resolved and we are on the GBP JPY currency pair. Let's draw a line here. I haven't taken a trade yet, but I am going to take some decent trade and will taught you about the how to make easy money online. Okay, let's draw a support line here. We are witnessing the multiple touch point. If you are seeing the breakout, the next candle is green and we can make a decent profit in this currency pair too. I hope this is a multiple touch point support level 2. Yes, is it a multiple support touch point, and right now the trend is upward. The moving average line is showing the strong upward movement. Let's find out the Euro CAD currency pair first and we will be taking our trade soon. Guys, if you want to receive my trading signals, receive my guidance about the trading in binary option, money management guide, risk management guide, how to deposit withdrawal in your pocket option or the Quotex trading, you can join our VIP group by making your account on Quotex and pocket option using my link. The link of both binary trading platform is mentioned in the description box. Go and create your account and send me your trader ID on my Telegram handle. I am Forex Monk, guys. All right. This is showing the Euro CAD is showing the strong downward movement. Okay, let's place a put option trade here. One trade is here as a put option. There were some strong downward movement, so I have placed $200 trade into the down direction, and the down direction is strong. Reason being the sellers were gaining control at this point. If you are noticing this line, the sellers are gaining control. Let's find out the Euro GBP. If the opportunity is here, the multiple touch point here, and we have found some amazing support level here. The Euro USD is showing some lesser settlement ratio, so we won't be taking trade here. And the Euro CAD currency pair again, and we have seen the trade is very close. All right, let's wait for this trade to get complete. If this candle comes as green, I will be placing two more trade in the downward direction. Okay, let's place a two more trade here, and right now we have lost our first trade of $200. Again, I have placed $400 trade towards the downward direction as a put option. The reason being, if you are noticing the wick here, the wick here, the wick here, the sellers are gaining control over the market, and we will be taking benefit of this downward movement, and this my trade will be win for sure. Okay, all right, let's wait for this candle to get complete first. All right, if this we have created a margin, if we are okay. All right, the breakdown is here, the support is broke here, and I will be taking more trade at this point towards a call option. At this point I will be taking a upward movement trade. Okay, I have won two trade here and $400 convincing win here. All right, I am finding one more opportunity here. The strategy is we have to take a trade once the support is broke, and if this candle formed as a break of support, I will be taking a upward movement trade from this point. But right now, if you are noticing the moving average line, the price is below the moving average price. The candle is showing downward movement trade, and this candle is showing the breakdown. So I will be changing my mind here, and I will go as a put option on this Euro CAD currency pair. Let's wait for this candle. Okay, let's place some trade. Okay, 6 5 4 3 2 one. Okay, let's place some trade here. Okay, all right, six trade is in place. $1,200 is in stake on this euro CAD currency pair. The reason behind this higher amount of trade is there was a short and the trend, the strong downward movement is here, and we are quite convinced that this trade is going down for sure. This support line will work as a resistance line. The MTG, the martingale position is open, and if this candle comes as a green, then I will be taking $400, and I am quite convinced that the downward movement trade is high. Okay, let's change to the $400, and this line will work as a resistance zone, and we will be placing our trade as a downward movement. All right, okay, again I have placed some trade, 7 trade towards a downward direction of $400 each. Okay, all right, the reason behind this $400 trade is if this candle comes as a red one and there is a breakout of the support line, this candle comes as a green, so we have opened a martingale position here and the $400 towards a downward direction, and this candle will come as a green one and we will red one, sorry, and we will be winning our trade by a huge margin, guys. All right, 24 seconds left and this candle will be red for sure. All right, we have created a margin, the 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and yes, we have created a huge margin and the win is quite convincing, and we have won the trade. The $5,124 settlement is added into the capital account. The strong downward movement was here, so this candle was green by coincidence, so I have placed a. Let's move to the euro gbp currency pair. The trend is showing a downward movement, again a red candle here. If you are watching the euro CAD currency pair, the GBP JPY, the upward movement was here up to this point. Now we are witnessing the mix trend here. All right, the euro gbp currency pair is showing the strong downward direction movement. Let's place some trade on this euro gbp currency pair. Okay, let's place one trade first of $400 towards a downward direction. The reason I am not taking a multiple trade here is the support line is here and we are quite convinced that this candle will come as a red one, and we have placed a put option on this euro gbp currency pair. And right now I recently made a jackpot in my last trade, so I am quietly following my risk and the money management. If you want to follow my risk and the money management guide, guys, you have to join our exclusive VIP group. The process is simple. You have to create your Qtex and the pocket option trading account using my link, and then send me your trader ID on my TG handle. I am Forex Monk. Then I will add you to the exclusive VIP group where you will be getting free signals daily, morning and evening. Let's place one more signal here of $400. I am following my risk and the money management guide, guys. All right, first win of euro gbp currency pair, and again I have placed $400 as a downward direction, and I am quite convinced that this candle will touch its support line, and the win was easy. The last win was easy, and I am quite convinced that this will be our win pair 2. Okay. All right. So we have won the trade again, and again I will be placing one more trade here. The 2 trade was easy to win, and I have placed one more trade here. At this point, the risk was taken due to my profitability and in a position that I can I will be willing to take more risk here. So I have placed $400 again at this point. The support line is here, and the Euro GBP currency pair is showing a strong downward movement. So I have placed $400 again as a put option. Okay, all right, this is showing a strong upward movement from this point. The support line is here, the buyers are in control. Let's move to the Euro CAD currency pair, and I have seen a breakdown. All right, the breakout is here, and I will be placing call option here. The strategy is simple. If you are seeing the breakdown, you have to place a put option. If you are seeing the breakout, you have to place the call option, and I have placed multiple. That Euro GBP trade is lost here, but I have placed a mega jackpot short $400 9 trade. Let's wait for this candle to get complete, and this will be our mega win if I won this trade. The reason behind this trade is the breakout was here, and we have to place trade accordingly. So I have played $3,600 towards a down upward direction. The call option trade is here, and I have placed a $3,600 as a call option. The 11 10 I have created a margin, guys. So guys, if you are winning the trade by margin, this is the happiest thing in the world. And yes, I have won the trade by huge margin. My balance is now $16,620. This was a quite amazing trading session today, guys. If you want to start your trading journey with me, join our Telegram group. The link is mentioned in the description box. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.